How to edit birthday videos using Filto video editor. First of all, open the Filto app and tap the plus button to start a new project. Select the birthday video clips or photos you want to include from your gallery. Next, choose the aspect ratio that fits your platform, such as 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Instagram stories and reels. Now arrange your clips or photos in the order you want them to appear by dragging and dropping them onto timeline. Tap on each clip to trim, crop, or adjust its length to fit your video flow perfectly. Add festive filters or effects like sparkles or glow to give your birthday video a fun and vibrant look. You can also add stickers and birthday theme to overlays to make the video more lively and engaging. Don't forget to add upbeat or celebratory music from Filto's built-in library or upload your own favorite song. If you want, add personalized text or captions with birthday wishes or messages using stylish fonts. Finally, preview your video to check everything, and when you are happy with the result, tap the save button to export your birthday video in high quality. Now you know how to edit birthday videos using Filto Video Editor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.